Hey guys, Angela here, and today we're going to be using my favorite kitchen appliance, not of all time, but one of my favorite kitchen appliances, which is we're back at it again with the Instant Pot. Now, I've done a couple of videos on the Instant Pot. If you haven't seen them, they'll be linked in the description box below. But guys, we're back at it again. Highly requested by personal friends and family. Today, I'm gonna share to you guys a recipe that I just discovered and secretly love, and it's super easy, very few ingredients, and I think that's what everybody likes right now. So today guys, we're gonna be making French dip sandwich in the Instant Pot, and it should only take an hour. What? Everything. So let's get it, let's go, let's cook with the Instant Pot, shall we? Now first, it's important to sear your chuck all around the beautiful edges of it. Okay, so I have my meat here, and you want to dry it off as best as you can. You want to season all sides, so pepper, and then a good amount of salt. Okay, now that we have our pan that's super hot, we're just going to lower the heat. I have about 1.5 onions in here, and we're going to basically caramelize these onions. It barely fits in the pressure cooker, so we're going to add our chuck in there. We're going to add our sauteed onions. Nice. I have 2 bay leaves that I will be placing in there. I am going to add a touch of soy sauce. Okay, I'm actually adding some crushed garlic as well, about 3 cloves, and then just enough beef broth to cover all your contents of the Instant Pot. So depending on the size of Instant Pot you're using, enough beef broth to cover most of the contents. Pressure cook on high, and we're gonna do it for 45 minutes, and then you just let it go, and that's it.
A few moments later.
Okay, now that you released all the pressure in the pressure cooker part, it's time to open it. Ready? Alright, so it's time to take it out. We're gonna take out the meat, and then you're gonna see, like, oh, we also wanna take out the bay leaf. But do you guys see that? It literally just came apart. Let's do that again. Like, look at that, it just comes apart. And then with this, we actually want to simmer it a little longer and reduce it. Okay. So now that we've like shredded and chopped up our pieces of meat, I actually like to take some of the au jus and then just kind of mix it with the meat, just for extra flavor. All we're trying to do is that we just want to basically toast our baguettes. dip it in the sauce. Cheers. You can't go wrong with a sandwich. This could make everybody and anyone truly happy. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you like sandwiches that you dip in some au jus. Or well, just me. I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Bye.